If you feel like you've tried everything to grow your hair, this is the video for you. I show you exactly what I did in the past 9 years to get to waist length. So grab your coffee and let's go. Firstly, what I do every time before I start touching my hair, if I was out and I have jewelry on, I take out my jewelry. Just like having jagged nails, your jewelry can actually snag on your hair, and that's not nice. You can actually hurt your ears. So guys, take off your hoops. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to form a routine, a natural hair routine that actually works for you. These are things I have learned in the past 9 years. It's taken me a bit of time to learn all of this, and honestly, I am not done learning. Natural hair is like that, and your body is like that. It changes just like your skin. Products you thought would work for you or did work for you end up not working after some time. And natural hair is pretty much the same, or I think even relaxed hair is the same. So what you're seeing me do here is remoisturizing my hair during my month or 3 weeks post wash day. So this is not what I do immediately after I wash my hair. This is how I take care of my hair in the middle of wash days. Later on in the video, you will see exactly how I moisturize my hair and hydrate my hair after my wash day. So but for here, this is exactly what I do between wash days. I have a very simple process that I do. I first put some moisture, as you saw me doing, put some leave-in, and then I seal it all in with some hair food. This is TCB. I don't know which country you're watching from, but here in Kenya I use TCB. You can use Blue Magic, you can use Venus. If you do not like petroleum based products, you can also use shea butter, which I use, or any natural hair butters. It is up to your discretion, guys. And that's what I've learned in these 9 years. People can tell you to use all types of products, but at the end of the day, it's what you like to do and what your hair likes. So don't be bullied. Don't feel like you must follow what people are saying. You can use products that have sulfates. You can use products that have parabens. It is up to your discretion. It is your body. You do what you think is right and what you know is right. How you take care of your hair after you've worn it out is very important. So this day my hair was out, as you can see, and my high porosity hair doesn't really enjoy being out. It tangles a lot. So I have to redo my hair at the end of the day, otherwise there will be pain. So part of forming a routine is knowing what your hair likes and what your hair doesn't like, and this takes a lot of experimenting and just being intentional and watching out for what your hair actually likes. So you have to be intentional, just like how you know your skin doesn't like to be patted dry after you wash, or your skin doesn't like certain products. Your hair is the same. Part of hair care is scalp care, guys. Don't forget that your scalp needs attention, whether it's oiling it or moisturizing it. Do not neglect your scalp. Now to the part that you've all been waiting for. I hope you have. So this is exactly how I moisturize and lock in the hydration after my wash day routine. So my products are different on this day, and that's another thing, guys. Do not be locked to using specific products all the time. You can change what you're using as long as it works. That is the key, as long as it works. So here I'm using shea butter. I am melting it between my fingers, and I'm also using a liquid oil, which is coconut oil. I've spoken about the fact that my hair likes coconut oil and glycerin, and so I use those two together. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft really well, and glycerin is a humectant. Okay, we are getting somewhere. Wash day. This is exactly what I do on my wash day. Let me tell you, when I was first a natural, this was the headache. This was where the pain and the frustration was. Takeaways: wash your hair in sections. Please wash your hair in sections. Use shampoos that are clarifying if you know you use heavy products, especially petroleum based products, guys. If you're using a co-wash, please remember to clarify your hair, because if you don't clarify your hair, buildup will prevent moisture from penetrating your shaft, and that will make your hair not be elastic or healthy anymore. So to protective styling, this is a whole video, guys. If you want to watch how I did this style, it's on my channel. I will link it at the end of this video. So my protective styles are usually very simple, no fuss at all, things that I can do in one day and easily maintain during the periods where I am not washing my hair. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe and check out my other videos. I have a good library of natural hair care routines and wash days, and I'll see you there. And here is how my hair looked. This is actually 2 weeks after I did this hair, and it was just a simple moisturizing routine, refresh, and it came out so beautifully, guys. I love my claw clips, and if you'd like to see how I did this style, please click the video above and enjoy yourself.